In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a daily planner in Google Sheets on your desktop. Whether you're trying to stay organized with your work tasks, personal commitments, or any combination of the two, having a digital planner can be a game changer for your productivity. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open Google Sheets. Once you're there, create a new blank spreadsheet. This will be the foundation of your planner, a blank canvas ready for you to fill with all your daily plans and priorities. As you set this up, think of it as your digital notebook, one that you can easily update and access from anywhere. Now, let's begin organizing this planner. Start by creating columns for time, task, priority, and notes. These categories will help you break down your day into manageable segments and keep track of what needs to be done, when, and how important each task is. This structured approach ensures you won't miss anything crucial, letting you focus on getting things done efficiently. With your columns in place, next, you'll fill the time column with intervals that suit your daily routine. Most people find it beneficial to use hourly or half-hourly intervals, but feel free to customize this part based on how your day usually unfolds. For instance, if you're more productive in the morning, you might want denser time intervals at the start of your day. Once you've set your times, it's time to populate your planner. Enter your tasks alongside any relevant details in the corresponding columns. This can include meetings, deadlines, or even personal goals like exercising or reading. The task column is where the action happens, while the notes section can house additional information like addresses or key contact points. A tip for staying on top of those tasks that need your immediate attention is using conditional formatting. This step is particularly effective for highlighting high-priority tasks. With conditional formatting, you can automatically change the color of the cells based on the priority you assign. This visual cue helps you see at a glance what needs your immediate focus. For an optional but handy addition, consider using checkboxes to mark completed tasks. By checking off tasks as you complete them, you get a visual and psychological sense of accomplishment, keeping you motivated throughout your day. Plus, on those days when everything seems to be piling up, there's something extremely satisfying about ticking off a box. And there you have it. That's how you make a daily planner in Google Sheets on your desktop. This planner is simple yet powerful, and because it's digital, you can easily adjust it as your schedule and priorities change. Creating this system may take a little time initially, but it will help ensure you never miss a beat in your busy life. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.